Okay, I have half an hour, then my internet is off. I'm going to try to make an app, a timer app. Basically, the idea is that I have a timer that I install on my PC, Windows PC, and for each project I'm working on, I can count on how much time I worked on it, and I can pause it, then turn off my computer, and when I start my computer, I can resume the timer of that project again. That's the idea. And I'm trying to wipe code it. I was just checking if this is recorded. So now I have 7 minutes. No, actually today I have half an hour. So 37 minutes left until my internet is off. Then I go to sleep. I hope I can finish this app today. We started. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, we started 23 minutes before. So in 1 hour I plan to make this work. Okay, let me just make a folder for this project. It's a project-based timer. I time today. Open VS Code. Just go to that folder. And copy this one. Timer app.python. Timer app.python. paste, save. Then I will just have a new terminal. I will try if I can directly run this. If I can't, I will just make a virtual environment. Yeah, so I can. Then just run this one to see if it's working. I will copy the whole thing, put it at the end. Comment so that it doesn't run. Okay, let's try. And this one save first. Let's try. So one thing is when the window opens, I don't see the add projects. Let's say test 1, project 1. Also, when with the original size window, the time is not showing correctly, and also the buttons. Okay, that's 2 things. I will write down here. When I run the code, the window GUI starts, but the add project button is not in the thread, and is too small, and when I create a new project, the time and the buttons also not inside the window. Like the window shows all element when it starts. So user don't need to manually resize it. Let's try test other things. Okay, it looks fine. And if I pause here, does it create a file? Let me see if I okay. If I close the app, then start again. I don't know if the project is still there, but let's try. If I just Okay, that's good. It's already there. So well, it is saved. Let's start again. Actually, the start should be resumed the second time. And I don't like this sign here where I don't like the delete sign, because if I accidentally press it, then my project is deleted. I want it not so close. At the same time, when people click delete, I need a confirm window. Okay, I will just write down the comments I have by far. Tell me, well, do you save the JSON file? I didn't find it in my project. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Let's save, because okay, just now my computer auto shut down because I set it to shut down on 10:30 when I want to sleep. But my internet is still open on 11, so I just restart the computer, and let's see, where are we now? So we have the file. I didn't find in my project folder. That's the one question I have. Let's just update the code first. Open VS Code. As you see, I didn't touch all the code here. I will just copy paste again. And that's the first question. Then I don't like the delete button position. It is so close to the other button, and if user accidentally press it, the project is immediately deleted. That is a bad behavior. And I hope it will just figure it out what I wanted. And what I want, of course, is after user clicked delete, there should be a confirm window or message. Also, the delete button should be a little bit far away. And well, is the file that you saved the start, resume, and end, pause, press activity times steps. Home directory. I don't like this. I want all the files be saved at where the execution file is. The same folder. Otherwise I have to look for it. That's not convenient. Delete button. Move it into a small menu is good. Can add other items and it in the future. Is a good practice. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see. A little bit of waiting. If you are working with several projects, you can now work with another project, but now I'm focusing on this one, so I will just wait and maybe at the same time, I don't know, watch some short videos. Okay, it's done. I haven't found a video to watch yet. Okay, that's good. Let's copy the code. I will just remove the whole thing, it's easier. And here I think it's still saved. Okay, project 1. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's try add another project, project 2, and to see if it will outpost the other one. If I just restart and start this one, yeah, this one is paused. That's good. I like it like that. And let's say now I have another project but with a longer name, how it reacts. This is a very long project name. Oh, when the project name is long, the window doesn't adapt to it. So this project I cannot directly click. So I have to make it bigger. I have to make it bigger, then click start. Is that a bug or I should just ignore it? Because normally you want to have a short project name. Okay, I will just ask Cloud. Currently above problems are solved. New issue. When a project name is too long, the window won't resize for it, so part of the project name and its buttons are not visible in the window. Should we write the project name and when it is too long, or should we just automatically resize the window when a new project name is too long? Let's see what Cloud says. Yeah, I agree actually. Agree. By the way, double the font and the button sizes. I want them to be big. I don't want to look closely. I don't want to pay attention. I don't want to spend effort to look at it. So it's better to have bigger buttons, bigger words. Yeah, it's just practical. And let me also try to start this project. I try to delete this one. Yeah, okay, that's good. The window resized. I hope this will be fixed after this fix. The window shouldn't resize back when I delete one. Okay, it's done. Again, just do this. My computer stuck. That's strange. Oh, because I have this window opened, so let me close it. Okay, that looks nice. I like it. Then where is the other button? Oh, the other button is not there's a bug. Bug now. When I run the code, the second the button is not shown in the window, and when I try to resize the window to bigger, it goes back to its original size when I read my mouse. Yeah, apparently that's what caused this problem, you see. It's still working. Let me have a look of the code. For the first time. Okay. Okay, this is just the timer. ISO load data. So load the timer data, save the data, recover project when it is shut down accidentally. Load and recover, build UI. Okay. Yeah, he tried to explain it, but I don't need the explanation. I just need it to work. Let's turn this off so that I can run again. Oh, did I? Let's try again. I think the font is a little too big. Yeah, this is a little bit too big size. Oh, this window is too short, let's say. But at least now it is kind of working. Okay, that's good. Let's start this project again. Pause it. So let's see if the time is right. So now it's 4:36. Yeah, it is right, more or less. I mean, within a few seconds, but that doesn't matter for me. Let me have a look if I can directly change the window size here, because for me I think the initial window size is a little bit too the width is too little. I should increase the width. Width. Let's just search for width. Yeah, that's the first width variable. Oh, width here. Minimum window width. I think this is the variable that is called. Yeah. I will try. So you see when I open the window first time, this is not nice. Yeah. Let me try to set this to 1200. Let's try one more time, see if it changes. Okay, I need to close this, always forget. Did it change? So now it's only a 2. Let's try one more time, maybe put it to 2000. Yeah, so it changed. So that is, yeah, kind of the fix. I think this is the minimum, so I cannot drag it in the left direction, but I can do on the right. Yeah, 2000 is too much. Also the font. Yeah, I think this font is a bit too big. This also. What I will do, I will reduce that. Let's see if I can do it myself directly. Yeah, let me just do it here. Let's change it to 20, something like that. Maybe 15. Timer, let's go to 28. I don't know what is this one. Let's keep it like this. And I will run again. Yeah, that looks a little bit nicer. And then this one I don't need to be so long. This looks, let me try one more project. Let's say for Green Hardware. Add it. Hey, there's the error again. Okay, just copy and paste. When I write a project and press enter, get this error. Let me go back here. I just want to just double check. Hardware. Oh, instead of enter, I should click add project. Oh, also doesn't work. every time this is okay. So this code is still not working. Oh, my internet is off. Unfortunately, I have to pause this project because I don't have internet anymore. And maybe I can count myself. Yeah, I can fix it myself instead of counting on cloud. Here, let's see. Because last version was working, so I will just return and return again. I think this is the version that was working. Let's try. Close this one. Yeah, if you have kind of version control implemented, it will be better, but I don't have that in this project. Okay, this one is the one that don't have the project name wipe. Also it like this is foregoing hardware. Okay, this is working. I can start. I can delete project. I can pause. Okay, this one is kind of working also. Only actually is better than the last version. I think I will just close to see if this one will be saved. 36. Open. 36, 37. So that's almost the same. Apparently, you see this window is too small. So I will just, like I did before, I will just change this to maybe 1000. Save it, then run again. Oh, let's forget this. Yeah, the only problem is this name is not wrapped. But then why not just make this longer so that for a normal name it will fit through. Yeah, it will just fit the window. So then I cannot go in, but I can go out. Oh, it is still trying to go back. That's not. Oh, yeah, still have some bugs. You see what you can do with cloud in 1 hour. So you can make a small project like this for yourself. You can make a small app for yourself almost without zero and any understanding of what this code are about. So this is like almost 400 lines of code, and I was only focusing on here. I just changed something here and everything else works. That's it for today, and tomorrow I think I will spend half an hour, 1 hour on it. Then we will have a complete working program that I can install on Windows, I can install on Linux, and let's see. Okay. Okay, now let's continue the project. I just did this git initiate the git project. Then I go to this of git of VS Code, which is GitHub Git extension. If you don't have it in your VS Code, you just search for Git. I think one of them, but let me see which one is it. Oh, so it's, I think it's just included in VS Code. And can I also see what extension do I have installed? Yeah, let's see what I installed. So it's not an extension that I installed, it is just inbuilt in the VS Code. You can click this one, then you start the Git project, then I will do a commit, first commit, because yesterday when I was trying it, it happens that the version of the code that the cloud gave me get worse than my previous one, so it's better to do a proper version control so that when that happens again, then I can go back to the original version, go back to the beta version easily. Let's see now how it works. Okay, I will start this project. Sample project 1. Yeah, when I enter, it is working. But when I drag, you see, it is not actively following. I don't like that. See, when I drag to here, it go back. That's not good. I will just close the app. I think the logic you use to automatically resize the window is too complex. Let's make it simple. When the user first starts the execution app, just use fixed dimensions here. When user manually resize the window, after he finished, the current size is saved and will be used for future. In the future, when he reopens the app. Until he resizes it again. Okay, and if the project name is too long, at the current window size, make the element of that row not visible. Write the project name until everything is visible. Is it clear now? Yeah, I think that logic is clear and easy. I will pause the video recording just to save some. Okay, now it is ready. Yeah. 干嘛？等一下回来吃饭啊，吃早饭。要不你带点早饭去吃也可以。
面包。
可以自己做吧。
好。
Okay, so now it's done. Let's copy it. Control V, Control A, Control V, Control S. Let's run it again. I think this is very good. Just I will change the size, font size, font of the text myself to the original version that I had. I'm more comfortable with that. Okay, good. Let me see. Now I can use this to check what was the font size that I used.
Papa,
Huh?
de kaas, ik weet niet hoe de kaas open gaat. Alleen heb ik zo gedaan.
Okay.
Ik heb alleen...
Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Normally when I open this here, I will see two files, but how to make that happen? Open file. No, I want to see. Yeah, there's a view. I will show you later. Okay, I don't see Git and changes. I don't need the chat. Oh, okay, that's it. It's just the window is too small. So this is the new version. And this was the old version. Looks like in the old version I don't have the font. Okay. It is other versions. Before that I have the fonts, but now I don't have fonts. Okay. Anyway, now let me change it. Remember this one I set it to, I will try 15. Just see how it looks. And this one 28. This one I will set it to 15. I don't know what they are actually, but we will see. We will see soon how it looks like. This looks clean to me. Let me just add, this is a very long project name. It is long. Okay, it is ripped. Very good. So this is minimum width. I need to change the behavior of the window like this. It's very sensitive. It's very difficult to reach this. Yeah, that's good. And this one. Great. Oh, this can change. Yeah, it's fine. If I set it to here, then I close it. I hope this time it will be with the same height. Yeah, it is with same height, so it's working. I can restart this project again. There's an error here. Alt save interval is not defined. So let me just set it here, which is 5 seconds. Pause it. Do it again. Okay, I don't have that error anymore, so that's also good. Now the only problem I have with this app is works. Now tell me why when I want to resize the window, it is so difficult to find the right position for the cursor. To turn into the double arrow sign so that I can drag and resize. Anything we can do to make that range bigger so that it is easier for the user to resize the window. Remove the border entirely and enjoy your own thick resized border. Custom option A first. It is 1:9, so the most common color resizing. Okay, let's go for option 1. Option A. At the same time, I will save this project and resize and write works, but cursor sensitive. Now I will close this one. I want to see. I will just add this line because I edited the file myself. I don't want to do it again. Self refresh list. Okay, so this one. 爸不正呢，不正呢。叶小，你要正你正，那什么呢？我说叶小，你要正你正呢。
什么？
你要正你正，爸爸不正。那个要花时间，知道不？我不想花时间。
给你。
我不要啊！我不要，我钱不是给你钱，你要做很多事情他才给你钱。我不想做那个事情，扔了吧。
是抠不抠的？
妈妈在那切。
是抠不抠的？
不是靠不出的，还写的中文。Okay, let's see now.
妈妈，你可以。妈咪，你可以把你的做好。
Size group get to use a visible, easy to grab corner target for resizing. I don't see it actually. Where is it? Oh, that's too small. I see that size grip only when the window is big, and even then it is quite small and almost not visible. Go ahead. Actually, this is not a terribly big problem. Maybe I will just leave it like this. But let's see. Oh, it's already done. Let's copy and paste. Then I need to change this back again. Okay, I will just tell the cloud implement this to the file. Okay, change applied. But why this is free? Okay, copy, paste, and save. Then this one go away. This one run. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, that feels much better. So basically here, no, yes.
爸，
嗯
你还知道我在中国的时候，我说 no，然后
，Yeah.
呢，no，
Okay.
yes，
Yeah.
no， yes， no，
Close it.
yes。
Open again. So the window size is saved, and I can start this project. That's it. I think the app is complete as I want it. I don't think I can change the size of it, because this is also Windows default, and I don't need to. I mean, I just use this app myself. So now let me just make an execution file for Windows and maybe also Linux. I don't think I can make it in this Windows system, but at least I will make a Windows execution, and when it's needed on my Ubuntu system, I will just copy this project to there, then make a Linux execution file also. Now make an Windows execution file for this project so that can simply download it, save it to a folder, then it can double click it to run. So portable, and the JSON file will be saved, created and saved as the same folder. Well, actually, I was going to ask it to tell me how to do it, but looks like it is doing the thing himself. So let's see. Do I get an exe, or do I get the instruction to get the exe myself? Okay, it generated a Linux binary so that it can be executed in Linux already. Okay, so I will do this. Yeah. Anyway, just download this one and put it in the project folder. Now we open it. Pipe install. I don't know if I have those installed, but it asked me to install, so it doesn't hurt. put this somewhere. Open command line, navigate to, run the single one. Yeah. Okay, it's installing now. I can do this one. It takes some time. So I should be fine. I should find this one in the distribution folder later. Let's see the timing now, and it's already half an hour. I work on this project in the morning, so around 1.5 hour you can make such an app yourself. Start from beginning. I mean, not from zero, because I have already Python installed. I have VS Code installed on my computer, and yeah, that's the only thing that you need to do before you can spend 1.5 hour to make such a small app for yourself. And if it's useful for other people, you can also distribute the app. I don't know, then someone else can can download it or pay you some fee or donation. Then it can also be used for other people. This app is quite small. It's ready. Let's do what is suggested. I will make a test folder here, and I will put that file into the test folder. Then I will go to Ravel in File Explorer. Yeah, so this is the file. I can click it, and hopefully it will run. Actually, I don't see it, so there's some problem. Oh, no problem. It just takes some time, and I hope it doesn't take so long the next time I open it. It will be faster. Actually, this is quite fast. I will start and pause or just close. Now I will, yeah, so the project is saved here. It's a little bit too slow. Another project. Yeah, I think everything works as I want. It's not as fast as I wish. I will ask or complain here. Working, but it seems the app starts quite slow. Any way to speed it up? Okay. So if that means if it's one file, it's portable, then it starts slow. But if you create like this way, then it is fast. Should I do that? Let's try it. Because I don't like this slow response. I like it to run immediately. And here I will just name it version 1. Okay, so I see a folder. How to make it like a normal software that people can install on their computer.
Meta.
Like a
Meta.
normal installer. 对吗？
我可以演演很
You
klein
need to
吗？
install a builder that's
爸爸
basically yeah
爸爸 is dit 很 klein?
Klei?
Nee, hun.
Hun Klei?
Een gun. Ja.
I don't know.
Een soort van gun dat je iets eraf kan doen.
I don't know.
Net als een normale gun.
Oh, hun. Nee, dit is niet Hun Klei.
Ja.
Nee.
Nee, gun klein kan je heel goed. Wat is het dan? Wat is het dan? Weet je wat gun klein of zo betekent?
What is the advantage of this Inno setup compared to directly give user a zip file that when they unzip they
Zip Zebelin.
can directly
Zip
load
Zebelin.
6-7. For zip better is real for a personal tool like this.
Wat is dit?
Let's forget because actual work.
Papa, wat is dit?
This is called Cloud. It is a robot that can help me. Chew portable can live from yes. Install just delete the folder, no register entry, no program file permission issue, no data file location problem. Yeah. Non-technical user who would be confused by a folder, but why confused by a folder? Deep window integration. Any software need a professional first impression. You need to push updates to many machines. Yeah, for now I will just stick with the folder structure. Yeah, I will stick with this one. I can use it myself. That's good enough. Let's see. Think it's already ready. Yeah, It's already ready. Then I can go there. And just run. I would say it's a little bit faster, but not so much. Let's try one more time. Actually, I will just get a timer. I will time it. Do I have a timer? Yeah. Clock. Does it work? I think so. Let me try. So that takes around 10 seconds for this to start to run. And if I go back, distribution, what about this one? Oh, that's faster. 4 seconds, less than 4 seconds. We do this, then we know exactly how long it takes. So this is the version with the internal folder, so that it is supposed to be faster. Yeah, that's 2 seconds. And this one? Yeah, it even make my clock stuck. Yeah, this is 10 seconds, that is 2 seconds, so I can delete this now. I don't like it. No, actually I will just write portable. But I don't like it. I like this one. Okay, so this one is working. It takes, let's see, yeah, 1 second to load. That's good enough. Then I will just right click, create a shortcut, something like that. Where is it? Create shortcut, name it project timer. That's a good name for it. I also don't trouble to make a logo for the app, because I will just use it for myself. I don't care how it looks. I'll put it here. Then I can start use it. This is the timer project. Project based. Yeah. That's crazy. Okay, that's the end of this project. How to build a simple app for yourself.